Hi, today let's make simple, easy one pan aloo gobi recipe. Trust me, it's very simple, very easy yet flavorful. First thing what you need to do is take the cauliflower, clean it and put it in turmeric water along with the water needs to be hot. Add turmeric powder, clean it and keep it aside. Now the cauliflower has been cleaned. So in a pan I've added in oil and I'm frying the cleaned cauliflower and then keep it aside. Do the same thing for the potatoes. Add in the chopped potatoes till the potatoes are crispy and brown. Fry till then and then keep it aside. Now to the same pan add in your chopped tomatoes and then add in some garlic cloves and give it a good mix till the raw smell goes. Now let's add in some spices which is like turmeric powder, add in some salt. Now I'm adding in some pepper powder and then I'm adding in some cumin seeds, and then what you need to do is next, let's add in some Kashmiri chilli powder. This is for the color. I'm adding in garam masala powder and coriander powder and give it a very good mix. The main thing for this is the raw smell needs to go. The more you roast, the raw smell goes, the more flavorful the aloo gobi recipe will be. Now I've added in ginger garlic paste and again mix it really very well. Let's cover it for with the lid for 5 minutes till the oil separates, and now I'm adding in the fried potatoes and cauliflower. Give it a really very good mix, and now for the even cooking I'm adding in half cup of water. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description box below. Now it's been 5 minutes. I've added in the crushed fenugreek or Kasoori methi and I'm garnishing it with coriander leaves. Check for the salt. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to enjoy your food.